There could be hidden issues even newer roofs might have. And just because the roof looks new doesn't mean it's problem-free. Issues that can still happen. The shingles could have been nailed improperly. There could be missing ventilation. The warranty might not be registered properly. And there's just defective materials that are not visible yet. And you wouldn't know these things without someone who installs a roof every day. Now, what are some possible warranty problems? One thing you got to know is not all warranties transfer. And some manufacturers void warranties if the original install was not done correctly. You could be stuck with repairs and not covered at all. A professional roofer can help verify the warranty status, the installation quality, and the manufacturer requirements for those warranties. So bottom line, roofs are too expensive to gamble on. Getting a professional roofer to inspect your future home is smart, strategic, and can save you some very costly surprises down the road. At Camel City Roofing, we offer detailed pre-purchase inspections so you can move forward with total confidence. If you're buying a home, give us a call, book an inspection, and make sure your dream home doesn't turn into a nightmare roof bill later.